Hello and welcome to Girls' Kitchen. In this video, I would like to share with you how I made this super delicious chicken eforiro. And if you are interested, stay with me to the end. And don't forget to click the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel to enjoy more of this from my kitchen. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. And the ingredients that we need to make this eforiro with chicken, we have Amaranthus, which is also known as callaloo, and we have I have smoked chicken. I have smoked chicken. I also have smoked catfish. I have Scotch bonnets, pepper. I have onion. I have bell pepper. I have the yellow bell pepper and a green bell pepper, and I have salt. I have Maggi cubes for seasoning. I have red oil. You can also use vegetable oil of your choice. It doesn't matter. Your efo is still gonna taste good. You can use the red oil if you are able to get a good one, because some red oil don't taste good. If you use the ones that don't taste good, it might mess up with the taste of your vegetable or whatever you are cooking. But I have a good oil, red oil, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the red oil. So, and you need a lot of like enough onion. You have to add like enough onion to your vegetable. That helps it to taste good as well. And we're also going to add locust beans, iru. That will enhance the taste as well. For your chicken, you may use baked chicken, or fried chicken, or a boiled chicken. It doesn't really matter. It depends on your choice. It depends on how you want it. And also, for the smoked fish, it's not compulsory. If you don't have smoked fish, it doesn't really stop your vegetable from tasting good. You can use just the chicken and it will taste good. And then also for the dawadawa, the locust beans, it's not compulsory as well. If you cannot get it where you are, you can still prepare your vegetable and it will still taste very good. So it's really not compulsory. Now I'm going to start prepping my my vegetable. I already have a hot water on my stove which I'm going to use to blanch this vegetable. This is callaloo. This is Amaranthus callaloo. It tastes so good. It's a very good vegetable for making a eforiro. It tastes so good. It's a special vegetable, very special. It tastes good. So that's what I'm using now. So I'm going to start prepping, and I'll show us how it goes on. Like when you are prepping your Amaranthus, the callaloo, this is how I like to do mine. I cut it. I like the stem. It tastes good. Some people, they just take the leaves. No, I don't do that. When you take only the leaf, you are wasting all this yummy taste that's in the stem. So I usually do mine like this, and I cut it from here. I can cut it from where the stem is soft. If it's soft here, I cut it. This tastes good. So that's how I do mine. So also, this tastes good as long as the stem is breakable. If it's breakable, like this one is still breakable, so this tastes good. So I put that in the pan, and I continue doing everything. And after that, I'm going to wash it properly. I'm going to wash it properly. So, wait a minute. This is the chicken, the smoked chicken. I'm going to cut it up. I already cleaned it out. I wash it because it's smoked. I use my vegetable cleaner on sponge. Clean it at least to wash off a little of the smoke stains and all that. So now I'm going to cut it up. Basically, that's it. I'm going to then as usual, this is for my Efo Riro, my Amaranthus. I think the callaloo, I already blanched it. So for this kind of vegetable, you can blanch it to your taste. Which is that is, you can blanch it to like put it a little bit to soften it, or you can make it medium, and you can just make it just a little bit blanchy. But this one I made it a little soft, that is my taste. So we can make it to our taste. So now I'm going to cut it up. The orange pepper with the scotch bonnet, the spicy pepper, I have them blended here. I have my locust beans, the dawadawa, I have salt, I have my Maggi cubes, I have my smoked catfish, which has been cleaned from the bone. Locust is here. I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to add some red oil. I'm going to add the locust beans to the oil to fry a little bit. This helps to activate the spice flavor. It helps to activate the spice odor. So once you put it in the oil, it fries a little bit, then you will start smelling it. Yeah. So you can easily do that. It's another method of using dawadawa to cook. Then you allow the locust bean to fry a little, then you add your blended pepper into it, and then you start cooking. This is good. It smells so good. It smells so fresh. Fresh pepper paste. I'm going to throw in dry fish, then add the chicken, because it's baked, the smoked one. You have to put it early so that it can cook up, careful with the salt, because this chicken, they usually add some salt. So now I'm going to add my Maggi cubes. I add it from the beginning so that everything can come together. Everything can be well seasoned together. Cover this off. I'm going to allow it to cook. If you like what you see in my pot, click the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section if you try it, and let me know where you are watching from, and enjoy it with anything